3. How to compose a post. So, what's next? It's time to dive into the action. Schedule your first post. There are 3 ways to do that. Like we saw before, when you're done with your design, hit the Schedule button at the top, and you get the scheduler opened for you. Or visit the timeline view of the scheduler and click on the Create Post button at the top. Or navigate to the date you want to schedule in the timeline view and hit the Create Post button. It's your choice. We leave it to you, because we know that everyone has their own choices. All right, the next part is where the fun begins. Select the social media accounts where you want your post to be scheduled. Yes, go ahead, you can choose multiple accounts. So the stage is set now. Let's get the content ready. Hit the Add Media button. You've got 4 options here. Yeah, we know. Options! Options everywhere! After all, it's your platform. You can upload your own media. It can be an image, GIF, or even a video. And you can choose one of the uploaded media from your existing files. Here's where it gets crazy. You can add a design from your My Design section from Picmaker. How about this? And finally, if you want to create a new design, you can do that. Once you're ready with your media, add a caption with your favorite emojis. Lastly, use our hashtag search to find the right hashtag for your post.